Hi guys, I am back with another video and today I'll be making Captain Marvel from the new movie. So before we begin, you're gonna need a few things. Golden flour making wires, which you're gonna need to make the wire skeleton, and a physical molded, which is gonna be the whole M seal thing or the body structure clay, whatever you want to call it. Without any further ado, let's begin. At this point, you should have something that looks like this, better than this, worse than this. I don't know. If you have made one of your own, send it to me on Instagram at heiheiuday. So let's get into the articulation of this action figure. And fun fact, this is the second female action figure I've shown on my channel, and the first female action figure that I've made on my channel. The first that I showed was Batgirl from that one video. You can check it on my channel. I don't really know how to put the cards up there. So the accessories that I've made for her are these energy blast pieces, which are kind of hard to fit. So I usually keep them to a side, and the articulation is quite well. The arms can go out that far, come back in, legs can go forward, back. They can spread out at a decent distance. Head moves, one of the rare figures in which the head moves because the neck usually takes a lot of space, and knees and elbows bend. And thanks to my trusty stand, I can put her into multiple poses with rather ease. If you want to make one of your own, check out the video on my channel. Shameless plug. So that's about it for this video. This is actually an order I've made for one of my friends, so he'll be receiving it very soon. Everybody, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like if you like what I do, and comment down in the comment section below what I should make next. Share your thoughts if you know I'm doing something bad, wrong, any mistakes I've made. You can share. I'm okay with that. I do respond to all my comments. That's about it. Bye bye.